Heidi, and I'm going to show you the new features of the new version of RadCORE. It is now easier and more productive to call RC elements. To do this, you just need to choose your component and right-click to open the context menu, or even simpler, double-click. Let's see a demo video. The presentation of tooltips can now be done by configuring several parameters to give a more interesting visual aspect to the application. Let's see a demo video. Now we can generate QR code in two ways. By the attribute QR code or by the RC QR code function. Let's see a demo video. If you are a user, be aware of updating the documentation. If you are not a user yet and want to know the project, get in touch, and I will be delighted to present you the benefits that users from over 30 countries are having. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, click on like to help the RadCORE project. If you want to know RadCORE, call Flavio on WhatsApp, on Telegram, or send him an email. Okay? Until next time and good studies.